Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if this is your first time coming across one of my videos. My name is Taryn, and in this video I will be deep cleaning and decluttering some spaces in my home that I've been meaning to get to for a while in preparation for baby boy number 2. Even though at the time of this voiceover, baby boy has already made his debut, so stay tuned for more videos on that. However, in this video, it is clips throughout my third trimester, so you may see me in different clothes. My mobility wasn't the best since during my entire third trimester, so I've taken the liberty to speed this video up so y'all not just seeing me waddle around slowly. This video is the first of many nesting / motherhood content, so stay tuned for that if it's not posted already. But other than that, let's get to cleaning, y'all. So first and foremost, I always like to tackle the biggest eyesore, which in this case is typically the kitchen. But I won't be doing anything like deep, satisfying type cleaning or nothing too crazy other than my usual cleaning routine in the kitchen, which is typically throwing what needs to be thrown away in the trash, putting things back in the cabinets or the pantry, doing the dishes, washing the counters, and cleaning the floors. Basically, I just clean from top to bottom.
No, I am not the same. Everything has changed.
A little background about me. I am a boy mom. My first son is 3 going on 4 with 1 on the way, as you can see. I am also a military spouse as well as a veteran after serving in the Air Force. My husband does, so he serves in the Air Force as well. This channel really consists of beauty tips, tutorials, especially wigs if that's like what you're into, homemaking, motherhood, fitness, especially once I have my 6-week checkup, and lifestyle content. So basically it's just a peek into my daily life and things that I love to do. I'm really passionate on like helping and motivating others, so if you're interested in this type of content, consider giving this channel a like and subscribing so we can all grow together.
24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day.
So for all the services in the kitchen, I'm going to be using my favorite all-purpose cleaner, which is the Method all-purpose cleaner in the yellow bottle for the lemon scent. That's my favorite one, and I also like the lavender one too.
Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club, we'll go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand.
So this area over here has really been like a catch-all spot because it's right here by the garage door, but at the same time it's right by the stairs, so it's always catching mail and the most random knickknacks. So this part of the kitchen can easily get pretty junky, and yeah, I really need to like come up with a better way to keep this area clean. Maybe get like a shredder, and we don't drink coffee. I might just turn it into a tea area and like figure the rest out later. But yeah, if you have any ideas, drop them in the comments.
Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop.
Now that I cleaned all the surfaces, I'm just sweeping up everything that I knocked down to the floors, and then I'm gonna really quickly use my Swiffer wet jet to mop the floors real quick.
I don't want this moment to stop.
So now we're over at the dining area. I had originally already cleaned the table like earlier that day. I didn't record it. So I'm just cleaning half the table where there was some food debris that my son left real quick with the method. And then I'm going to be using the Old English wood cleaner after that, just to clean and give it some extra shine and protection. Sorry if you hear my son in the background. And yeah, this area wasn't much to do. So love that.
Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending.
Okay, so as I said early in the video that I'll be in different outfits. So this is the next day, because I'm usually only good for, well, I was only good for 1 to 2 cleaning activities every day, because I was just in so much pain and just low energy, all that good old third trimester stuff. And yeah, so I'm just cleaning the living room area. And as you can see with the plant here, I went and pruned the plant like the day before. And yeah, so I'm just cleaning that up, trying to figure out how to be a plant mama. This is my first plant, so if you have some tips for me below, please, please, please drop them. I need help.
Something better. Wait a second. I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much, cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had.
So after vacuuming the floors, I did shampoo the carpets where the main walkways were really quickly, just because I noticed they were getting pretty dirty, and our carpets are pretty light. So I try to stay on top of that until we get the chance to get our floors done, and I cannot wait to that. It's so hard when you have a toddler running around. And yeah, excuse my son in the background.
Stay up late with my heart in your hand. Maybe stare too much, cause you don't understand. You got me gone.
Okay, so now I'm tackling the clean laundry that has been dumped in one of our guest rooms. I find this to be a bad habit of mine, where I'll just take the clean laundry out the dryer and I'll dump it in the guest room. And I guess because I don't really go in the guest rooms a lot, so it's kind of like out of sight, out of mind. Next thing you know, there's like a mountain of laundry that needs to be folded and put away. Or my husband's in the morning before he gets ready to work, it's like, where are all my clothes, where are my work shirts? And I'm just like, check the guest rooms. Yeah, so trying to do a better job with as soon as stuff comes out the dryer, fold it right away. During my third trimester, I was, like I said, at low energy and all that good stuff, so I really gave myself a lot of grace. But now I'm trying to back up on the habits, as you know, in due time. Sometimes you just gotta do the best you can. I'm sitting here saying this, but am I really gonna just change right off the bat? Probably not. But we're gonna keep trying. We're gonna try to fold our clothes right out the dryer and put them in our drawers.
It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment.
So this is the second guest room, where it's a catch-all for all the stuff that's going to be baby aces. I'll have another video for nesting for baby, where you can see how I tackle this area. It'll be specifically just on stuff for the baby, you know, the good old everything baby related. Okay, so This is my son's room right now. I know. It is a hot mess. I know. Whew, excuse me, I'm breathing so hard. And his closet, a lot of the baby stuff is in here that I'm gonna be using. And I'm thinking about it because this is really more like a storage and a toy closet than his actual closet. A lot of his stuff is in the drawers, but I do need to go through all of his clothes. So for the time being, since we may have some family over, because we have 2 other guest rooms, what I might do is just put the baby stuff in here, since most of it's already in here. Organize it, get everything washed up, put all baby Ace's stuff somewhere in here until we are ready to do the nursery. We're gonna do something in our room for the baby. You know, for the first 6 months to a year, he's gonna be in there with us. So we're not in a rush to actually decorate the nursery, especially since we're gonna be having family over. So, but yes, this is yeah, a lot of work to do.
And I will come running, yeah, every
Yep, so if you read the captions that I just put previously, so in my son's room, right now we're gonna clean it up for now and keep most of his stuff in there, but the closet, I did decide to go ahead and turn that into baby Ace's closet, because eventually I'm gonna be moving my son Liam into the one of the guest rooms and make his current room Ace's nursery. So I'm not in a rush to do that, because at this point, you know, I was just trying to hurry up and get things clean and just get prepared for the baby. I wasn't trying to be moving any furniture or have my husband doing that, because he was working a lot and all that good stuff. But yeah, we're gonna be doing the old switcheroo, just moving my son to the room across the hallway and making this Ace's baby nursery. I will be doing a video on that once I do make that change, so stay tuned for that, guys.
like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heartbeat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history.
Also, if y'all want to see the before and after of the closet, after I turned it into baby Ace's closet, stay tuned for the nesting for baby video if it's not already out. If it's already out, it'll be in description or in the right hand corner.
Feel your hands, the way you touch me.
So now you just see me going through my son's toys and books and just seeing what we want to keep, what we want to throw away, what we want to pass down to baby Ace, and just organize it in a more aesthetically pleasing way. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I threw away a lot of this stuff because I'm just so tired of stepping on little toys. And I'm pretty sure all the toddler moms can relate to what I mean by there. But yeah, so that's just what I'm doing now.
Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us.
So here is the closet. Pulled everything out. Put these bins in. I really need a label maker. So is loving it. Eventually, I want to do actually redo the closet, fresh coat of paint, all that good stuff. But for now, we're just gonna focus on cleaning it and getting it organized. And we'll put more storage in there. Still a lot to do in the room, but it is almost bedtime, so I'm just gonna clear off the bed and my battery's running pretty low, so probably off the camera. Go ahead and just clear off the bed. And the way my back is set up right now, get my husband to come make his bed and read him a story, and we will resume tomorrow. But we have gotten a lot done. Got the closet out. I know it looks crazy, but stuff is actually somewhat organized. Organized chaos. But all right, you guys, see you tomorrow.
Need you, then why so settled? I withdrew. Still it feels just
Okay, so it is the next day and my son is at daycare, so I'm taking advantage of the time to go ahead and shampoo his carpets first thing in the morning so they can be dry by the time I go pick him up from school.
you got me gone. You don't understand. You got
So for those of you that are wondering, this carpet cleaner is the Hoover Power Dash one for pets. I got it because it was really cheap for a good deal. It was like, I know it's less than $100 off the top of my head. I'll have more info about it in the description, the link to it on Amazon. I really love this one. It's because it's lightweight. The only thing I would say I don't like about it is you have to do a lot of passes to do like bigger areas. This is good for like if you're just cleaning up pet messes. So I'll probably eventually get like a bigger carpet shampooer.
might be a disaster. When I'm with you, I feel different. Like I'm brand new, less ignoring. Still it feels just like I'm waiting.
So now we are moving on to the hallway linen closet where it is a hot mess. Yes, I know. But since we moved in this house, I haven't really taken the liberty to make, this area organized. So no wonder it looks like this. So I'm just taking everything out and we're gonna separate, throw away, do whatever we need to do with everything else and put everything that needs to be back in a aesthetically pleasing manner. And hopefully it'll stay like that. I will be doing like probably another makeover on this closet later. But yes, doesn't it look so much better? Like so much better.
Or just the best you've ever had.
So last but not least, I took all the couch cushions off and washed them and let them air dry. And I also went and took all the the rugs out of the bathrooms and washed and air dried those because your girl was feeling pretty froggy with the deep spring cleaning. And yeah, so that was like the last bit of things that I did for my deep cleaning.
Or just the best you've ever had.
Alright, you guys, so this video is now getting ready to come to a close. I'm just showing you guys really quick where we started with the cleaning before we started cleaning, and just I try to be transparent with you guys. Your house isn't going to always be clean, especially when you got small children, but ain't nothing to it but to do it. And I know as much as I get annoyed with my husband and my son sometimes with trying to keep the house clean, sometimes you just gotta have a changer's perspective and just be glad that they're healthy and around to be able just to even make the mess, So I hope you all have a blessed day, and yeah, hope this motivated you.